Okay, this is the part 2 for homogeneous differential equation. So let's go to example number 3, and I just included uh, a boundary condition. So the problem is xy dx minus the quantity x squared plus 3y squared dy is equal to 0 with a given boundary conditions of y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 2. So, unahin muna natin magkuha ng degree. Tama. So, let's get first the degree. So, equation. So, ang m natin equal to xy. Tama. With a degree of 2. Kasi uh, the exponent of x is 1 plus the exponent of y is also 1. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now, makukuha na. So, that will be for m. How about yung n natin? So, for the n, ang n natin is equal to x squared plus 3y squared. So, the first term, huwag natin palang kalimutan. So, dapat pag-distribute yan, ito dapat din yung, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan si negative sign. So, pag-distribute, negative x squared minus 3y squared. Yun yung n natin. First term, the exponent of x is 2. So, mayroon siyang degree of 2. Second term, 2 pa rin kasi y niya is, yung exponent niya is 2. So, term 1, term 2, para sa 2. So, ang degree nung n is 2. So, with this, is parehas yung degree ni m at n, homogeneous equation siya. Now, let's go to sa substitute natin. So, bakit x is equal to by ang ginamit? Kasi mas simple si m. M is simpler than n. Kaya ginamit yung x, let x is equal to by. Where pag dinerivative natin both sides, dx is equal to b dy plus y db. And then, substitute natin itong si by. So, sa x siya, maging by times y or by squared multiplied by dx. Ang dx natin is b dy plus y db. Ito yun. And then, minus uh, minus x squared. So, x squared natin si by. So, b squared y squared plus 3y squared. So, quantity dy is equal to 0. And then, we can factor out y squared from the second term. Itong term na to. Kasi both sides may y squared. I can factor it out. So, divide the whole equation. So, itong equation na to, di-divide natin by y over square. Kasi may y squared dito sa term na to, may y squared dito sa term na to para matanggal si y squared. So, naging b, the quantity b dy plus y db minus the quantity b squared plus 3, the quantity dy is equal to 0. And then, distribute natin si b. So, b squared dy plus by db minus, distribute din natin si dy at yung negative sign. So, negative b squared dy minus 3 dy. And as you can see, b squared dy, positive and negative magka-cancel out. So, matitira is by db minus 3 dy is equal to 0. Okay, divide the equation by both y. So, dito, magsa-separation of variables na tayo. So, the first term, may supsupadi or hindi belong dyan sa first term is y. Kasi b yung mga variables. So, divided by y. Second term, kahit i-retain mo naman si coefficient or si constant 3 dyan, okay lang yan. Kasi matitira ang partner lang naman ni 3 is dy. So, dyan na si dy. So, kaya nagdi-divide tayo ng equation by y. So, if you divide it by y, magiging vdv minus 3 dy over y is equal to 0. And then, integrate na natin siya. So, integral ni, so, walang, so this must be integral of 0. So, integral of vdv minus 3 dy is equal to the integral of 0. Okay. So, the integral of bdv will be b squared over 2, tama. And then, integral of dy over y is 3ln y is equal to c. So, multiply lang natin both sides. 2 times c, magiging c1. Okay. Such that, so lalagyan natin parang such that. Ah, so, ano natin dito is si c1 is equal to 2 times c. Kasi nag-multiply tayo dito ng 2. So, b squared minus 6ln y. And then, substitute back natin. Ito yung from the equation x is equal to by. Ito yan. So, from x is equal to by, makukuha natin na si b is x over y. So, tama. So, substitute natin x over y minus 6ln y is equal to c1. So, x squared over y squared minus 6ln y is equal to c1. So, substitute lang natin y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 2. So, 2 squared, substitute x, 2 squared over 1 squared minus 6ln 1 is equal to c1. So, 2 squared over 1 squared is 4 minus 6. Ang ln 1 natin is 0. So, this will be cancelled out. Maging 0 actually siya. So, 4 is equal to c1. And then, substitute back si 4 papunta dito kay c1, magiging ito yan siya. X squared y squared minus 6 ln 1 is equal to 4. And then multiply both sides by y squared, magiging x squared minus 6y squared ln y minus, so lilipat lang natin siya doon, minus 4y squared equal to 0, which is the final answer. Now, that's the last part of homogeneous. So if you have questions, you can ask me through the GC. So hope you understand homogeneous differential equation, and good luck to your exam.